Good afternoon to everyone. I'm back, Angel Madiscarding Mama, for video for today. We are going out and then we sliding in the ice because it's new ice outside. It's cold, almost minus 6.7 outside. But let's go enjoy. So here's nice in Norwegian winter. It's almost 5-7 temperature. My husband and my niece help to my husband move the ice. Yan. Ganyan dito guys, ang lamig. Yan. Where is Janella, Lourdes? Go, go, go! Everyone! Move the ice! Yes! Kasi ganito guys, pag hindi i-moves yung ice, marami, mahirap na pag i-move, hindi makalabas yung sasakyan namin sa garage. So ganyan. Laban mga kababayan, dahil malamig ang winter dito sa Norway. That is January 1. Welcome 2025. Happy New Year everyone! Ang New Year namin, mag-move ng ice sa labas ng bahay. That is life here. Kahapon nag-umpisa yung ice. And then hanggang ngayon, marami na siyang ice. Let's start. That is why kunin ko silang video. Yan. Habang sila nag-move ng ice, yung ice pa rin ay babagsak ng babagsak. That is here in Norwegian weather. Work, work, work. Move the ice. That is like here. Ito na guys, napakaganda yung ice. It's so fresh na fresh. Diba? Ano siya, medyo magaan pa ngayon kasi ano siya, hindi pa siya matagal. And this is it. And take a look the ice guys. Yes. Here we are. Enjoy. Ay, Papa, 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 what happened? Yan guys, that is life here. That is Norwegian life. Mag-move din ako guys. Yeah. Hi, here we are. Mag-move tayong ice guys. Eh natapos na. Tapos na guys ang mag-move. Hello. Kunwari na lang guys. Ice, ice. Enjoy. Take a look. Here we are, the ice. And then move again. Let's move. And then kita tuloy guys. Here we are. Hindi mo. Yan, kato ta video to us like this. Ano yan? And then picture tatlo. And then I come here. Hi, hello. Have a nice day. Happy New Year. Wait. So this is the winter Norwegian guys. Here my niece. Here we are. Enjoy. Wait for me also. So we are going to walk in the Norwegian winter here guys, but the picture is not good. What happened this one, my camera, what happened? So lakad mo tayo sa malamig na panahon and then ice pa siya kadaan and go carefully. What happened? It's not, this is it guys, the winter in Norwegian. Malamig and then nag-ice. Here the Norwegian winter, it's so cold, it's almost 6.7 minus temperature and the ice still dripping in the ano ba yan? Sa yuta. Road we enjoy. So guys, take a look. Oh wait. Dinaanan namin. It's a beautiful. Ah! Oh my God! Oy, 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 oy! What happened? Napaka ice, madangog, slippery. But going, go lang laban sa buhay. O yan, tingnan mo yung mga pamangkin ko. Yan. That's why. Ganito ang winter sa Norwegian, guys. Guys, nag-playing sa ice. Tapos madulas dia. That is life here. And then madulas pang dahanan, paakyat kami dyan sa taas. Take a look. Oh, grabe. Go, go, go. Laban ng buhay. Kasi parang maglakad ko.
Sige. Unas ako ta. Langit kasi. Sige.
Sa totoo lang guys, napaka-ice yung talagang madulas. Kailangan dandahan kang umakyat para hindi ka ano na ko na balintong na ko. Yes. Pardon. Uy, my God. Oh, it's slippery. Come on, move up. Yes. Slippery talaga guys ang yung daan naming inakyatan. And go. And then ang hirap. Dinala kami dito sa anak kong babae. Oh, napakadulas. It's beautiful here. Go, 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 Lourdes! Yes, finally you there! Go! Oh, enjoy and have a fun! It's a winter. And try to up again. Up, up, up. Yes! Try to balance your body and move. Yes, yes. Ganyan na day. Oh, so finally she did it. Yes. Coming. Yes, pushing. Action. Ikaw, Miat. Action. Miat, how are you, Miat? What do you think in Norwegian winter? It's so nice. Appreciation in 100%. What you feeling? 100. So is satisfied and 100% in Norwegian winters. So actually, yung ice bago siya. Kaya medyo maano siya. Para siyang cotton. It's beautiful. Here's the views in the forest in Norwegian. We are happy. Happy, happy. And then I asking my niece how feel as Norwegian winters. 100%. So she's satisfied. Yeah. What happened to you? Raining? Yes. Still, nag-snow pa rin siya, guys. Ito yung Paris namin. Para siyang cotton yung ice. New is ice. Here we are. What you feeling in Norwegian winter, Lourdes?
So cold.
And? Happy?
Nice. Happy.
Satisfied?
Yes.
Yes, satisfied. So, but we are here in the parish. Yan. She is falling down in the ice and she's difficult to come out and then go, fight, move, never give up. Your life still have free. And go, 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 enjoy, have a fun. Madulas talaga yung daan namin. Tingnan yung daan namin, madulas.
Sige.
Yes, yes. Whee! Up, up, and the bundok. Feel! My God. Nakapadulas siya, guys. Oh, yes. Finally, I did it. Yes! Oh my God, what happened?
Wala pa
Janet,
manggod.
take the video, Janet. Ano, Janela? Oy!
Ako putita.
Wait, ako po ngayon ay. Ako sa muna. Wait, for me. Take the video. Oy! Ako naman,
Anong kwantita ka ng gigama ni Koan?
Pag mob. Here we are. And then falling down. Here we are. Go, go, go. Napakadulas guys sa tutuno lang. Hi, Miet. Enjoy.
Lotus, tissue.
Hoy!
One, two, like that?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Iknet, let's go. Hi, hi. Oi, oi, oi. And then? Yes. 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 Go, Yamiet. Go, Yamiet. Hui. Sina. Yeah. Number 3. Way, hui. Have a nice. Playing the ice here. It's a beautiful, it's nice. See, meeting Angel. Yes, here we are. Angel. And ikaw, Miet. Angel, here we are. Well, here we are, Miet. Go, go, go. Yee-hee.
Sige ba dyan ta?
Angel, Angel. Oy, 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 oy. Oh. Ay, hindi na ko kaakyat. Kamang. Oh, let's go. Ano, oy, tama. Beautiful. Yes. It's so nice.
And yes, go to that tree. Yeah, go to that tree. That one? Yeah. Can you sit on that Lotus? Sorry?
Sit,
on that stick.
side, sit.
Here?
Mm.
Yeah, like no, like sit on it, don't break it, put it down.
Pull down.
The other way, to you. So sit on it. Okay, like that, yeah. Okay. Okay, so what you then hit the tree like kick it. Kick the tree. No, you me? Kick the tree. Look at it. One, yeah. Up. 1, 2, 3. Ready? Yeah. Oh. No. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Oh, goodness. Sige.
Lingkod ba kata?
Right? Oh.
Makita si Init.
Lourdes, apa? Ay, ada. Uyugan niyo, uyugan niyo ng kahoy. Uyugan ng kahoy kina. Wait. Go. It's so nice. It's a beautiful Paris, guys. Oh, so nice. It's a nice New Year. White New Year, guys. This is the take a look.
Hoy, ako kay Kwan tayo. Hulo, hoy. Sir, dili ko mabalik.
Okay.
Winter.
It's a beautiful day. It's so nice. Here we are. Ready and 1, 2, 3. Ikaw na Lourdes.
Ako wala man ko.
Tara ko.
San? Klar.
1, 2, 3. Happy New Year.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Mata.
Done. Novice ka go. Yeah.
Hey, playing the ice. Enjoy.